Which sentence is written in the active voice? A. The ball was thrown by John. B. The cake was baked by Mom. C. Sarah plays the piano. D. The letter was delivered by the mailman.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is C. Sarah plays the piano. In a passive voice sentence, what typically comes at the beginning? A. The subject performing the action. B. The object receiving the action. C. A verb. D. An adjective.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is B. The object receiving the action. Which sentence is in the passive voice? A. The dog chases the cat. B. The flowers bloom in spring. C. The homework was completed by the student. D. They sing beautiful songs.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is C. The homework was completed by the student. What word or words often signal passive voice? A. Was, were, been, by. B. Run, jump, play. C. Happy, sad, excited. D. The, in, a.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is A. Was, were, been, by. Which sentence shows active voice? A. The window was broken by the baseball. B. The house was painted by workers. C. The book was read by Jane. D. The chef bakes delicious cookies.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is D. The chef bakes delicious cookies. In the sentence, the movie was watched by everyone, what is the subject? A. The movie. B. Watched. C. Everyone. D. Was.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is A. The movie. Which sentence needs to be changed to active voice? A. The cat chases the mouse. B. The boy rides his bike. C. We play basketball. D. The test was taken by the class.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is D. The test was taken by the class. What is the main difference between active and passive voice? A. Active voice focuses on who does the action. B. Passive voice uses more adjectives. C. Active voice uses more words. D. Active voice only uses past tense.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is A. Active voice focuses on who does the action. Which sentence is written in passive voice? A. The children play games. B. She writes stories. C. The pizza was eaten by us. D. They swim fast.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is C. The pizza was eaten by us.
If you'd like to see more of our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us.
In active voice, where is the subject usually found? A. At the end of the sentence. B. In the middle of the sentence. C. At the beginning of the sentence. D. After the word by.
High5 Education.
The correct answer is C. At the beginning of the sentence. Excellent. See you on our next quiz. Thank you for watching. We truly love you all. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Leave a comment and share it to make it viral. Let's spread learning everywhere.